Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure you have a parent Google account and the Family Link app installed on your device. Once done, open Family Link and tap the plus icon to add a child. Choose whether you're creating a new child account or linking an existing one. Follow the app prompts to enter the child's name and birth date, then proceed to send the invitation or generate the linking code. This gets the sign-in flow started and creates the supervised connection. Now move to the child's phone or tablet to finish the sign-in. On their device, accept the Family Link invitation or open Settings Accounts, Add Account, and choose Google. Enter the child's email and password, then type the linking code from the parent app when asked. Make sure to grant the permissions Family Link requests so supervision works correctly. You'll configure filters, app approvals, and screen time during this step. These middle steps establish control and visibility. Finish by reviewing supervision settings in the Family Link parent app and confirming the child can sign in to allowed apps. Once everything is synced, tweak app permissions, screen time limits, and content filters so they match your rules. Make sure to test a sign-in to a permitted app or website to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, first check account types and device compatibility, update the Family Link app, ensure both devices are online, and retry the link process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.